Our final stop in Valencia is a true cathedral of the senses, the Mercado Central. A masterpiece of Valencian modernism, this market is one of the largest and oldest in all of Europe. Its structure of iron, glass, and ceramics creates a bright, airy space for nearly 1,000 stalls. Every morning, the market comes alive with the finest fresh produce from the surrounding fertile plains. None are more famous than the Valencia orange, a symbol of the city's agricultural wealth and sweetness. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. To make an authentic paella valenciana, locals come here for the essential short-grain bomba rice. They also seek out red gold, saffron, which gives the dish its signature golden hue and earthy depth. The aromas here are intoxicating, with spices from across the Mediterranean filling the air. In the fish section, the daily catch from the coast arrives fresh every single dawn. Look up to find the parrot weather vane, representing the lively chatter and gossip of the market floor. No food tour is complete without tasting horchata de chufa, a refreshing drink made from tiger nuts. It's traditionally paired with fartons, long, sweet pastries perfectly designed for dunking. From crusty breads to sweet treats, the bakeries here preserve centuries-old recipes. At the central bar, you can sample world-class tapas made with ingredients sourced just steps away. You'll also find the finest jamón ibérico, cured to perfection and sliced paper-thin for the ultimate flavor. The quality of the vegetables, like these sun-ripened tomatoes, is what defines Valencian cooking. By 3 p.m., the stalls close, as the market remains a living hub for daily local life, not just a museum. The Mercado Central stands as a proud testament to Valencia's rich agricultural and mercantile heritage. From the futuristic skyline to the ancient streets and vibrant flavors, Valencia is a city that enchants every visitor. Thank you for joining us on this 3-part walking tour of one of Spain's most beautiful gems. Valencia is waiting for you. We hope you'll experience its magic for yourself very soon. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.